There is just one place in this universe for us. Earth is not just our home, it is the only place where we can survive. But we are not alone. Other living things, from fungi to turtles to elephants, are stuck here with us. Together, we all make life on Earth possible. We grow, live, thrive, and die in a harmony unable to be charted by any species alone. Yet when one species, our species, skews the equilibrium of life, we put the entire planet at risk. But at Rainforest Trust, we fight to keep our planet safe. We contend against the forces that threaten the world's ecosystems, such as poaching, deforestation, and climate change through our global network of partners. Together, we protect rainforests, the wild places that keep the world's ecosystems running. Together, we find ways for people to live alongside other species. We're fighting for our vision of the future of our planet, a future where all species have the right to call this small corner of the universe a home. And we're getting closer every day.